Picking the best wireless power bank for iPhone is not such a difficult task, though there are many options out there in the market. You're probably aware of the iPhone battery pack that was released by Apple years ago. It has been discontinued since 2023 when Apple introduced and adopted USB-C. The big problem with it is that its capacity is very small. And in today's world, you probably need something with a bigger battery to keep your iPhone topped up when you're on the go especially. I am going to go through 3 options that I have for you. But before we go ahead, in case this is your first time of trying to use a wireless power bank for iPhone, Apple introduced a standard called MagSafe. It's pretty much, by definition, a magnetic accessory. A magnet is built into the back of the iPhone, and the wireless power bank also has a magnet built into it so that you can attach them together like this. So anywhere you hear MagSafe, this is pretty much it. It can be a power bank, it can be a wireless charger, it can be a wallet, it can be whatever else anyone wants to attach to their iPhone. Once you see a label that says MagSafe or MagSafe compatible, then it means that it will attach to the phone this way. The options I am going to mention to you today are all MagSafe compatible. They are all magnetic power banks. How do these wireless power banks work? Do you need to set up anything? No, you don't need to set up anything. Once you have your wireless magnetic or wireless MagSafe power bank like this, all you have to do is attach it to the back of the phone and it starts charging. See, it just starts charging. There is nothing else to do. It works this simply. And because it's a magnet, it just sticks by itself. That's the beauty of it. Put it in your bag, put it in your purse, hold it in your hand, and it's charging your device as you go. It's that simple. This is how Apple's MagSafe technology works. By using magnets to attach the accessory to the phone, it just works. Now, third-party manufacturers have their own wireless power banks that are MagSafe compatible, but with the advantage that they have a bigger capacity than Apple's iPhone battery pack does. You have third-party options with up to 5,000 mAh capacity, 10,000 mAh capacity. In some cases, even 20,000 mAh capacity, even though I consider that an overkill. And so the 3 recommendations that I have to offer you for best wireless power bank for iPhone are between 5,000 and 10,000 mAh capacity. Let's talk about them. The first on my list is Podoru for MagSafe Battery Pack. It has a 5,000 mAh battery. It's MagSafe and so it's magnetic. It uses a Type-C cable and also has a lightning port. So it can be charged with both a Type-C cable and a lightning cable. There is 20-watt fast charging. In other words, it can be charged at up to 20 watts fast charging. It is compatible with iPhone 12 series all the way to iPhone 17 series. When you're using it to wirelessly charge your iPhone like this, it delivers a maximum of 15 watts wireless charging output. The Podoru for MagSafe Battery Pack delivers up to 15 watts wireless charging to your iPhone and to any other device that it is compatible with. What does it cost? It costs $22.99. As at the time of this video, it's discounted down to $16. So if you hurry and you're able to meet that discount or that deal, you get to buy it for $16. If not, it's $22.99. I have left the link to buy this in Amazon in the description of this video. Next on my list is the Anker 621 magnetic portable charger. It also has a 5000 mAh battery and can be charged with a USB-C cable. Of course, it is MagSafe compatible, meaning that it is also magnetic. When using it to charge your iPhone like this, it delivers a maximum of 7.5 watt wireless output. So its wireless output is lower than that of Podoru. Take note, Anker says that this model is not compatible with iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 13 mini because of its size, right? You know, those are extremely small phones. So if you're thinking of buying this for the iPhone 12 mini or 13 mini, no, Anker says it's not compatible. But for 13, iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 13, 13 Pro, 14, 15, 16 and all that, it works very well. How much is this? On the normal, it costs $39.99, but it is currently discounted to $23.99. If you catch that deal, you can get it at that super price. If not, then you're going to have to pick it up at $39.99. The last recommendation that I am bringing to you is the Baseus PicoGo MagSafe portable charger. It's a Qi 2 standard 15 watt wireless power bank, and it has a 10,000 mAh battery. This is the one with the extra battery capacity. It has a USB-C port, so you can charge it with a USB-C cable. Of course, it's compatible with iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 Air series. When charging your iPhone with it, it has an output of 15 watt wireless charging. It goes for $69.99 on the normal, but it is currently discounted to $37.98. So if you hurry, you can get it at that price. If not, you have to pay $69.99 after the deal is over. The links to all of the 3 recommendations are in the description of this video. So do check it out and see if you can pick up any one of them at those highly discounted prices right now. These are the 3 wireless power banks that I recommend for iPhone. I am sure that there are other good ones out there. You can always do a hunt on your own, but these are highly recommended brands and highly recommended models that you should be able to enjoy using with your iPhone. Each and every one of these are just better than Apple's iPhone battery pack. You will get much better battery backup from any of these third-party options that I have recommended for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do like it. Do follow my channel, turn on your notifications. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.